What is big cardamom? Big cardamom comes from the family Zingiberaceae. Big cardamom, also known as black cardamom, hill cardamom, winged cardamom, or brown cardamom. Its seed pods have a strong camphor-like flavor, with a smoky character derived from the method of drying. Big cardamom is roughly 2.5 to 3 centimeters in length. Big cardamom pods are dark brown to black in color and have a tough, dried, wrinkly skin. Big cardamom is dried over a smoke fire and therefore has a distinct smoky aroma. They are highly aromatic but not as much as green cardamom. The seeds have sweetish, smoky flavor when bitten into. Big cardamom can be mostly found in Indian and Thai cuisine. It adds a sweet, spicy flavor to dishes. The plant is native to Nepal and India but can be found growing in other areas around the world including Thailand, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia and Guatemala. Buy high-quality big cardamom. What are you waiting for?